see this town. Mala, can I samu?
Political party since the creation of Nigeria, and this is the longest democratic, period we have had in the history of this country. So I think Nigerians have had the opportunity to compare what we achieved between 1999 and 2015 and the last 7 to 8 years.
Okay, tell us what stands out for you during the course of your tour across the country.
Well, I thank God. I was never sick even for one day. I just can't believe it. And we virtually covered the entire country with the exception of Taraba, which we couldn't go due to bad weather.
On this note, sir, what is your assessment of how the campaign outing across the country?
I think the PDP has conducted a very decent campaign, and campaign based on issues. And there is no comparison, any party with the PDP. Let us be honest. We campaign on issues. We did not attack any individual. And I think that stands us out completely. Thank you very much.